have a little, how about a case of some hobby? We haven't seen the hobby in a little bit.
Yeah.
Set this down here for now. We got some randoms to do. Let's open it up. All right, in our break, we have James B with 1 spot, Jeff M with 2, Jeremy H and Michael E both with 1, and William J, our good friend, with 3 spots there. Let's do our randoms 7 times. Do our list here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 8 on top, 7 on the bottom. Oh, not that one. Wrong break. All right, grab our names here. Come over here, dice roll. Roll that dice 7 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Jeff on the top and on the bottom. Grab everything here. Let's do our sorts. Sort it. All right, spot 1 going to Michael E. Spots 2, 3, and 4 all going to William. Spot 5 going to James. Spot 6 going to Jeremy. And spots 7 and 8 going to Jeff. So without further ado, guys, come here. All right, good luck, guys.
Good luck, everybody. Let's have some fun. Let's rip some bangers.
Oh.
That would be a sweet sketch.
Four, 5. Oh, stack them. You can still see us. We're good. Yeah, you can still see me. We're good. We're good here. Put them there. For all intents and purposes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, box number 1. This is for Michael. Good luck, Michael.
Good luck, Mike.
Gummy, good to see you. Welcome in. Oh, is this you, eggs and bacon? All right, let's get you something good here. Let's get you bangers.
Eggs and bacon? That sounds good right now.
I know. All right, Quinn, here's Princess Leia, fourth sister, Freedy Pamular, Morgan Elsbeth, Ayla. We have a Yoda, Maz. We have Director Krennic on the Galactic Empire. Our first numbered card to 199. How about Poe Dameron?
Nice.
To 199. All right, Paz Vizsla, Casca. There's Moff, 8D8, Cyril Karn, Balin, Zeb. There's a BB-8. We have the Heiress there. Bo-Katan wields the Darksaber. And on the rainbow, we have a Dio. To our next pack. There's Boba, Mando, Carson Teva there. Clients, Kelleran, Leia, Arsing. Here's R2. We have a Rise of Palpatine, the First Galactic Empire. All right, out of 5 of 99, we have the Grand Inquisitor on the Aurebesh.
That's awesome.
About a Grand Inquisitor Aurebesh there. We take that. Nice numbered to 99.
The Aurebesh. Here we go.
Luke, Haja, there's R5, Leda, Ranger Malk, Elia Kane, here's Kylo, Dooku, there's Dexter, and we have Bix Colleen on the rainbow. Cad. B2 Emo. There's Daedra. Cassian. IG-11. Dryden Voss. Stacey Tin. There's Captain Rex. We have the Rise of Palpatine final battle with Rey and Kylo Ren. And out of 99, we have 3PO. 51 of 99 on the 3PO. Nice low numbered 3PO there.
Go.
All right, Colonel Tuttle, Vader, Aunt Beru, Freck, the Mudhorn, Wicket W. Warwick. We have Rey, Wedge Antilles, and our auto is Brea Organa, unnumbered auto, with a Rainbow Sabine Wren. I am the rest. What do you mean by that, Mushy? Over on the YouTube side. The Corellian Hound. Commissioner Helget. Queel. Cobb Vanth. The Twins. Twi'lek Major Domo. Here's Jin. Akbar. Asajj. And we have Kylo on the Galactic Gear. Few more packs left here for our first spot, Michael. Luthen Rail. There's the Grand Admiral. Xian. We have Reva. Lola. Pit Droid. Barriss. Plo Koon. We have the Eris. Team arrives at the Secret Enclave. And we have Supreme Leader on the Rainbow. The Steel Pecker, Jason Syndulla, Tatooine Sandbeast, the Armor, Modifier, Phasma, Jabba. We have Poe. We have Lando on the Rebel Alliance. And out of 150, we have Plo Koon to 150.
I love Plo.
Nice Plo. All right, last pack of our first box. Garsa Fwip, Marva, Hera, Berg, Brea, Fifth Brother, Chewie, Kit. We have Luminar Unduli, and we have a Rainbow Dr. Quadpaw.
Got some cool ones there, man, for sure.
Some nice stuff.
Yeah, nice start.
Good start. All right, on to box number 2. Box 2, 3, and 4 are going to our friend William J. Good luck, William.
No problem. Eggs and bacon.
Yeah, absolutely. No problem. Thank you for buying into the break. It's always appreciated.
Yeah.
All right, William. Good luck. Cad. First break live. Love that. Hopefully we see you some more often here. B2 EMO.
For sure, man. Thanks a lot. That's
Daedra.
awesome.
We have Cassian, IG-11, Captain Rex, Wicket. There's a Rey. We have a Jyn Erso on the Rebel Alliance. And to 150. How about General Grievous?
All right.
Grievous to 150.
Nice numbered characters here.
Getting some nice numbered characters to start here. Colonel Tuttle. There's Vader. Aunt Beru. Freck. The Mudhorn. The Corellian Hound.
Thanks, Gummy. Appreciate that.
Appreciate that, Gummy. Jin, Akbar, and a Rainbow Migs. We got Bill Burr. I really wish he had an auto in this.
Did you know I bought a figure of him just because it's Bill Burr?
Oh my
I needed
God.
a figure, bro.
I really wish he had an auto in this. Commissioner Helget, that would be the bounty every day until we pulled it. And even if we pulled it, we're still doing it.
He's so funny.
Major Domo, Asajj. We have Barriss, Plo, Rise of Palpatine, the offspring of Anakin Skywalker. Out of 25 here. 5 of 25.
Oh,
Danny Trejo. Oh! We got the Rancor Keeper on the
Danny.
Oribest to 25. Danny Trejo.
love that they made him. that character. Put him in there.
Danny Trejo to 25
Awesome card.
on the Orabesh.
That's sick.
Just because the camera wasn't focusing, so I just put these other 2 boxes down here. Just for all, everybody knows. Again, we want full transparency here. I can't talk today. It's Friday, guys. I'm over it. Luthen.
Been a crazy week.
Grand Admiral.
Star Wars left
Zian,
and right.
Riva, Lola, Pit Droid, Phasma, Jabba. Got the Eris, Bo-Katan plans the Roots. And Yoda on the Rainbow. Full clarity is the word I was looking for. These 2 boxes are on top here. Just setting them down here because the camera's not focusing. We have the Steel Pecker.
Hello, gentlemen.
Jason
I
Sindula.
know you are.
Tatooine
cast
Sandbeast.
backwards.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Got the Armor. Modifier. There's Poe. Chewie. Fisto. Got Rise of Palpatine Civil War with the Separatists. And to 199, we got Luke.
This is a video.
Okay,
It's a coin in a comic.
perfect. Luke to 199.
Nice.
Garza Flip, Marva, Hera, Berg, Brea, Human Armor Unduli. There's Sebulba, Jaja. There's our auto. There's Quinn. Our auto is Captain Enoch on the debut auto. Not numbered to 199 or less, though, so did not hit the bounty there. Captain Enoch is our auto there, little debut auto. Fifth brother, Salman Pak. There's Captain Enoch. Bo-Katan. Still have not seen her auto either. A little upset about that. Grogu, Kanan, 3PO. There's Luke. And we have a Galactic Gear of Kira. Haven't seen her auto either. Sinta Kaz, Shin, Fixer, Boba Fett's Rancor, Bail, Vane, Django, Padme, Ezra, and on the Rainbow we have Princess Leia. Kino Loy, Saw Gerrera, Gorian Shard, Vect, Fit, excuse me, Han, we have Mace, we have a Chewie on the Rebel Alliance, and 58 of 99, we have Dio, 58 of 99 Dio. All right, last pack. Last pack of box 2 here. Inquisitor, Toro, Rancor, Ahsoka, Fennec, Peli, Qui-Gon, Nien Nunb. We have the Eris. Bo-Katan begins the search for Mando. And a Maz Kanata there.
All right.
Is it for spot 2, William? Spot 3 for William. William ending our first half of the break here. He has spots 2, 3, and 4. That was spot 2. This is spot 3. Money.
Colby.
All right, Kino. Yes, this is number 2, Yaga. This is number 2. Saw, Gorian Shard, Vect Nakru, Tala Durith, Ezra, Finn, Han. We have Rise of Palpatine tempting Luke to the dark side. And out of 199, we have Nien Num. Yes, thank you, PG. Please email box breaks for all group break questions. Or you can direct any questions to d.yarger@dacardworld.com or a.richardson@dacardworld.com. Any questions you may have, please email both of those. In fact, every question that you have, please email both of those. Ahsoka, Fennec, Peli, Mace. We have Qui-Gon. No, that's correct. That is correct. That he says wrong. That is correct. The Heiress, Bo-Katan rescues Mando, and we have an Emperor Palpatine there. S. Richardson. S. Richardson. That's correct. And Steve can't even defend himself because he's on the chase right now. S. Richardson at DA Card World. Every and all questions directed to him. If he doesn't get back to you in a timely manner, please D. Yarger at DA Card World. Load up S. Rich. General Hux, Lando. On the Galactic Gear, or not the Galactic Gear, we have the Rebel Alliance, Cassian Andor. And we have the Orabesh. Ooh, we have Tala Durith. Tala Durith. That is 97 of 99 on the Orabesh.
It's actually kind of an emotional scene when, you know, she kind of
Sacrifices herself?
Yeah, sacrifices herself. Yeah. It kind of got to me, actually.
Nurchi, IG-12, Cammy, Chrysanthemum, Bix, Sabine, Grievous, Dio, Supreme Lida, and Mon Mothma on the rainbow.
Do you like Obi-Wan?
Like the show?
The series? Yeah.
I think it's my own fault. I had higher expectations for it, but I watched it back a second time,
Understandable.
and it's very good.
I like it a lot.
It's good. I think everybody's problem with it is they had way higher expectations for it, and that's not fair to the show.
Right. Yeah. That makes
Kira,
sense.
K2, Krennic. We have not seen our auto yet, I don't think.
No. Not in box.
Advisor to the Queen. To 199, we have K2SO.
Nice.
K2 to 199.
Yeah. I love how they made like Vader look in that series. I mean, it just
Like I
so
said,
dark.
you can hate Disney Star Wars all you want. That's fair. I get it. The one thing they have not messed up is how they've portrayed Vader. Vader is
Absolutely.
terrifying in everything they've put him in.
Yep. That's why I just can't wait, and I feel like they need to make a Vader series like that.
Like Rogue One. No, I don't want them to.
You don't want them to?
I feel like they could ruin it.
Oh.
And I don't want them to do that.
Maybe, but they could also kill it.
Yoda. Start auto. It is. Save the auto. Sweat the auto. I love Thrawn. I love Thrawn. I have a picture saved on my phone. Where is it? I've had this saved for so long because I've been meaning to send it to Jimmy because Jimmy has also been reading the Thrawn books. Where is it? Yep, doing this right in the middle of a break, and it's fine. And it's fine.
Oh, we're good.
Where is it? Like, it's so true. Because, like, Thrawn is just like...
I haven't been introduced
I know.
to him.
He's in Rebels. He's in Rebels.
Yeah. I'm
Thrawn?
working my way through the animation.
I'm telling you right now, Thrawn is going to become one of your favorite characters.
Yeah.
He is a master tactician.
Okay.
He, like... There's so many times in, like, the shows where people are, like... Everybody in the Empire is, like, freaking out. Like, oh, my God. Like, why are you just letting this go? And he's just like, yeah, whatever. I'm just learning. I'm more or less just using this as learning. Yes, an actual villain with strategy instead of just going in headstrong. Correct. That's why I love Thrawn. I love that they brought him into live action. I love that they kept Lars Mikkelsen to voice him as well. Galactic Gear, Ahsoka. Thrawn, I'm telling you, Thrawn is going to...
Wait, what live action?
He's in the Ahsoka show.
Oh, yeah. And they
He's in
told
the
me I
Ahsoka
gotta
show.
Wait until watch that.
You,
until
you,
after some
yes,
animation.
because you will not... There's a lot of stuff you're going to be missing.
There's a couple things that I haven't seen. But...
You will be completely lost. We have the Heiress and Ayla Secura there. Thrawn is amazing.
I'm very much enjoying Clone Wars, though.
Yeah, you'll
Season
enjoy
3.
you'll enjoy Rebels as well.
Oh, yeah.
You'll enjoy
I'm
Rebels.
sure from what you guys have said.
Another show where they made Vader absolutely, like, one of my favorite lines is from Rebels about Vader, and it's when Kanan and Ezra are sitting there, and they just stop and they're like, "Do you feel that? The cold?"
Oh.
and then they like turn around and there's Vader. Ooh, we got a
That's
numbered
sick.
Rebel Alliance. Ooh, Lando
Oh.
on the numbered Rebel Alliance, 19 out of 99.
Sick. I didn't know.
I'm definitely gonna get the Marvel comics of Thrawn. Definitely gonna grab those.
Have we even seen a numbered one of these?
I've seen a couple. Not
Okay.
they're not very often.
That's awesome.
They're not very common.
Like
I've
the-
only seen a few.
Like the old Lando image. Oh,
Luke,
classic.
Haja. We have R5, Leda, Ranzer, Elia, Dexter, Satisse, and Scad on the rainbow. Okay, let's see what our auto is. Come on. Out of 199, we have the Handmaiden Agira. Molly Miller's Handmaiden Agira is our auto there. Heir to the Empire Throne, yeah, is incredible. Again, you'll once you get to that point of watching the animated stuff, you're gonna meet Thrawn and you're gonna be like, this dude's great.
Yeah.
He will I guarantee you he'll make it into your top 10 or even top 5
okay.
of favorite characters.
I remember there was one that you were telling me about earlier. This must be the guy you were saying I automatically will love right earlier. Yeah. That's
He is incredible.
Yeah. I'm excited.
There's another scene in Rebels where he's just fighting droids, just like fighting them, hand fighting them,
Oh,
beating the crap out of them.
I love that.
Yeah, it's insane.
Yeah. We got box 4 now, right?
Yes, this
Box
is
4.
box number 4
Willie.
for last box for William here.
All right.
Mr. Helget, Queel,
Not doing too bad.
Cobb
William.
Vanth. We have the twins, Twi'lek Major Domo, Barris, Plo Koon, Captain Phasma. We have Rise of Palpatine, 14 of 50. How about Leda Mothma, 14 of 50
There we go.
out of the first pack there.
50.
Yeah, Thrawn is incredible. I
Looks
love him.
Sweet.
I love
I'll
him.
say that.
Grand Admiral, Jabba, Poe. We have the Heiress Bo-Katan, and we have BB-8. All right, music stopped. Fix that right now. I need some music.
Yeah.
Can't do this without music.
You got, what do you, oh, you,
Got the lo-fi hip hop today.
I got you. Just play a station, usually?
Yep.
Nice.
All right, back to that. Steelpecker, Jason Syndulla, Tatooine Sandbeast, Armor Modifier, Garza. Here's Chewie, Kit Fisto, and we have another Luminar Unduli, 88 of 99 on the Orabesh.
Nice.
We have Vect Nakru, 88 of 99 on the Orabesh.
You underestimated older Obi.
You did.
Kind of funny.
Marva, Hera, Berg, Brea, Fifth Brother, Salman Pak, Sebulba, Jaja. There's Kanan. And on the rainbow, we have Koska Reeves. The Chiss Ascendancy, yeah. Captain Enoch. We'll see how much, see. It's what I really like, Filoni and Jon Favreau. Because they take a lot of the legend stuff and bring it into canon without power creeping. They do a good job of not power creeping it. Luke on the Rebel Alliance. And to 150, we have Rey.
Ooh.
Rey to 150 there. Shin, Fixer, Rancor, Bale, Vane, Padme, Ezra, Finn. There's our auto. We have Fixer, 193 of 199 is our auto there. We have Moff Gideon on the rainbow. Kino, Saw, Gorian Shard, Vect, Tala, Han. We have Mace, Qui-Gon, Rise of Palpatine, Palpatine Resurrected. And we have a Galactic Gear Poe Dameron. Grand Inquisitor, Toro Calican, Rancor Keeper, Ahsoka, Fennec Shan, Peli, Nien Num, General Hux. We have the Eris. And unnumbered, we have the Rainbow Leia Organa. We haven't seen like a big nuke yet. We haven't seen anything crazy yet. We're gotta be due.
10 or 5 maybe.
Gotta be due.
Dathomir, something.
Lando, Grievous, Dio, and to 199. We have Dooku to 199. That's cool.
All right.
Little Dooku to 199.
Yeah, we've seen some really solid characters numbered so far in this break.
The numbered characters have been really good.
Mm-hmm.
Last pack of box 4 for you, William. IG, there's Cammy, Chrysanthemum, Bix, Sabine, Axe Woves, Supreme Leader, Kira, K2, and on the rainbow we have 88.
We still haven't seen one of those frozen fractors, right?
Have not seen a frozen fractor.
I'm dying to see one of those.
I know. Have not seen a frozen yet. All right, box number 5 for James.
Good luck, James. Let's see it.
We have the Pit Droid, Steel Pecker, Jason Syndulla, Tatooine Sand Beast. We have the Armorer, Plo, Captain Phasma, Jabba. We have Rise of Palpatine, Jedi's attempt to seize control. And here we go. 8 of 25. We have Dio.
All right.
8 of 25 on the Dio.
All right.
That's cool.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, seeing the return of my King to live action was the highlights. Modifier, Garza Fwip, Marva, Hera, Berg, Brea, Poe, Chewie, Kit Fisto, and on the rainbow we have Nurchi. Yes, the return of my King was the highlights of Ahsoka for me. As good, that show was really good, by the way. We are Admiral Piet, 16 of 99. Asajj on the Orabesh. Asajj on the Orabesh.
Love that.
Sintakaz, Shin, Fixer, Boba Fett's Rancor, Bail, Vane, Kanan, C-3PO, Luke, and an IG-12. Kino, Saw, Gorian, Ezra. We have Rise of Palpatine, the new Supreme Chancellor. 1 of 150. There's Finn on the blue. Number 1 of 150. So our second half here of box number 5 for James.
Don't they guarantee sketching
Inquisitor. I don't think so. I don't think it's guaranteed to sketch in a case.
All right.
Don't believe they are guaranteed. Han, there's our auto. Kratinus.
Right.
1 or 10 of 150 is our auto there. Kratinus is the auto. Details. We have the Eris and a General Grievous on the rainbow. Feels a little early for the auto. Maybe we got a bonus one here. Grief. Captain Bombardier. Mace. Qui-Gon. Nien Num. And a Vader on the Galactic Gear.
Come on, let's see another auto. Let's see.
Nurchi. IG-12. Cammy. Chrysanthemum. Bix. Sabine. Hux. We have Lando. Grievous. And we have Cammy on the rainbow there. 2 packs left here of box 5. Yep. There's Axe, Dr. Quadpaw, Purge Trooper, Obi-Wan, Q9, Duchess, Dio. There's Supreme Leader. There's Kira. And a green Galactic Gear. Oh, Anakin Skywalker.
Nice.
44 of 99 on the Galactic Gear. We got Annie.
Solid hit right there.
It's a great hit.
Yeah.
Anakin Skywalker.
Great image, man. Nice. That's awesome.
Ned B there. Perrin, Mon Mothma, Vel, Scad, Migs, K2, Director Krennic, Palpatine, and a Chrysanthemum Rainbow to end spots number 5. Some pretty good stuff there. On to box number 6. Box number 6. This is for Jeremy H. Okay, there's Boba, Mando, Carson Teva, the Clients, Kelleran, Aura Singh, R2, Kylo. We have Rise of Palpatine, the duel with Yoda. And our first numbered card, 135 of 150, we have Sebulba. There's Luke, Haja, oh baby. Oh baby.
Oh.
Save it.
Oh boy.
It's behind it. Q90.
Yes, guys.
We got a sketch.
Keep them coming.
We got a sketch. Oh, that's sick.
Whoa.
That's a sick Dooku.
No.
Kang Jing.
That's
Oh, it's a black foil.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
That is
Oh.
crazy, bro.
black foil Dooku.
Dang. That's our second black foil Dooku.
Kang Jing.
We got old, we got younger.
Oh my
That looks
God.
younger there. Dang, that's amazing. Dang. Anthony.
Oh my.
Oh man, that is crazy. Hold on, we'll get a top loader. We'll show it off.
That's a sick sketch.
That
Let's go,
is
Jeremy.
one of the coolest ones I think we've seen, man.
That's
is
incredible.
Awesome.
Black foil sketch Dooku by Kang Jing. That is a sick sketch.
The fire extinguisher.
Nice hit, man.
Dang, that is hot.
Black foil as well.
Man, look at that. Oh man,
That looks
just like
so
the
good.
saber shining.
That looks so good.
That is awesome.
All right, next pack, pack 3. Ilya Kane,
Absolutely.
Cad.
Topps has done an amazing
B2.
job with this product.
Yeah, I'm glad they put sketches in it.
Yeah.
I'm glad they put sketches
Just
in
look,
it.
look at all the cards.
Rex.
honestly.
We have Wicket. And 49 of 50, we have
Pelly.
Pelimoto on the Orabesh. 49 of 50 on the Pelly. 1 in 4,000. Oh my God.
Yeah,
1 in 4,000 for hobby.
that's crazy. I think we've only pulled
It's
one other, and it was
disgusting.
Dooku, but one other black
It was
foil,
in,
right?
yeah, it was in Breakers.
Yeah. But bright, yeah, this is hot bright.
That's sick. Nice hit.
What a box right now, yeah.
Jin and a Rainbow Duchess. It's about damn time.
For Jeremy, right? 6.
Yep, this is Jeremy H.
Jeremy, killing it right
Mr. Helget, Quilt, Cobb, the Twins, Twi'lek Major Domo, Admiral Akbar, Asajj, Barriss Offee. We have Admiral Ozzel and the Galactic Empire. And to 199, we have Jyn Erso.
Oh yeah, what are you doing in here?
Dude,
He's got a
another
black foil.
Dooku
foil.
black foil. What?
Oh my lord, that's cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
another
It's like,
Dooku
geez.
black foil.
If we had a nickel, every
Yeah.
time we pull a black foil Count Dooku sketch, we'd have 2 nickels. Isn't a lot, but it's weird that it's happening.
Yeah, right? No, seriously, like, what are the odds?
And
Like,
out of
you know?
hobby, so that's 1 in 4,000
They're both
packs.
out of hobby.
Yeah.
One
Mine
in
was out of hobby
4,000.
too.
Yeah, 1 in
That's-
4,000.
That's actually.
Oh,
insane.
wait. Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I thought yours was
geez.
big. That's
That actually like doesn't
incredible.
make any
Whoa.
sense.
Black foils
That's
coming in hot
disgusting.
in the hobbies. That one, like, I just love that
Yeah.
one, though.
Yeah.
Here's our auto. We have Cousin Yano
All right.
Organa,
How you
79
doing
of
there, Sweet
150.
tea?
You're pretty good.
Yeah? Are you ripping
Harris.
baseball or something? Or-
Director
Sprinkled
Krennic
Light this
Rainbow.
morning, and then we had back-to-back football, and then we got some football jerseys.
Oh,
Mm.
nice.
We have 1950s football HP.
Oh my God.
1950s HP
Who's the hit in
football?
that?
Uh,
Bart Starr?
Or Johnny U.
Johnny U. Yeah, I should have figured Johnny U.
Jimmy Brown.
Okay.
Jimmy on the card, by the way. Jimmy Brown.
Okay.
That's sweet.
Pit Droid. Steel Pecker, Jason Sandula, Tatooine Sandbeast, Armor, Jabba, Poe, Chewie. We got a Rise of Palpatine, Secret Geonosian Super Weapon. And we have Galactic Gear, Leia Organa. 3 packs left here in box number 6 for Jeremy. You already had a sketch, and it was a black foil sketch at that. That's incredible.
Awesome.
Got the modifier. Garza. Marva, Hera, Berg, Brea, Kit Fisto, Luminara Unduli. We have Sebulba. And on the rainbow, we have Ned B. All right, 5th brother. Salmon, Captain Enoch, Bo-Katan, Drash, Grogu, Jaja, Kanan. We have a 3PO. And 75 of 99. We have Jar Jar. Let's go.
All right.
Jar Jar on the green. 75 of 99.
Nice box.
Cinta, Shin, Fixer, Boba's Rancor, Bale, Vane, Luke, Django, Padme, and on the rainbow we have Perrin to end our break. Or not end our break. What are we talking about? End spot number 6. All right, spots 7 and 8 both going to Jeff M. Good luck.
Good luck.
Good luck, Jeff.
Good luck. See if we can top that box. Let's go.
All right. Salman Pak, Enoch, Bo-Katan, Drash, Grogu, Sebulba, Jar Jar, Kanan, Rise of Palpatine, Secret Apprentice, and 50 of 199. We have the Emperor. 50 of 199. We have the Emperor.
So evil.
Sintakaz, Shin, Fixer, Boba's Rancor, Bale, Vane, 3PO, Luke. We have Django, and we have an Axe Woves on the rainbow. Kino, Saw, Gorian Shard, Vect, Tala. We have the Grand Inquisitor, Padme, Ezra, Finn.
What do you got? I didn't even see it.
Guys, we've done it. We finally did it. 0 out of 0.
The Frozen?
We got a Frozen.
0-0.
Come on. Axe Woves.
Oh,
0 of 0.
nice.
On the Frozen Fractor, our first one. Finally, we've done
Yo.
it.
Yeah.
Axe Woves.
That's awesome.
That is sick.
Oh, that is so cool. 0-0. Oh, man. That is
Take
so
that
cool.
when you're done. We'll show
Yeah,
that
yeah,
off.
Yeah. Here we go. Oh, that's awesome.
Look at that. The Frozen Fractors look so good. Oh, you have a Balin Frozen?
That's sick, eggs and bacon.
Yeah, so these are these go down to -5 gummy.
Right.
The Frozens are so sick.
Yeah.
Oh, I wish it. Oh, Balin Frozen sounds
Unique idea
amazing.
Going into negatives
I
like
love
that.
it. I love it.
It's sick. No,
Axe Woves, 0 out of 0.
not bad.
Oh, that's great.
It's
Sweet, man. This
That's
product,
so cool.
I just can't believe how good Topps did with this one.
Yeah, the other day we opened a box of 23, or yesterday
Mhm.
we opened box of you had a box of 23 hobby and 2 boxes of 24.
Yeah. I pulled it.
Night and day.
Yeah. Oh,
Night
I know,
and day.
right? Yeah, they're just not
Night
that
and
good
day.
looking last year.
23.
Yeah.
I mean,
I like the design as much.
yeah, these just look so much better.
Right. And then the sketches, how often? they're
Yeah,
coming,
adding in
Breakers to
sketches
Lights,
is
but-
incredible.
Yeah.
There's Mace. You have the Eris. And on the rainbow we have Kira. The frozen fractors are so sick.
Yeah, I'm so glad we finally got one. Congrats.
Captain Bombardier. We have Uncle Owen, Praetorian Guard, Melshi, Nurchi, Qui-Gon. Nice hit, Jeff.
Yeah.
General
Awesome stuff.
Hux. Darth Vader's Betrayal.
Oh.
And out of 50, we have Ranzar Malk. Little Sons of Anarchy love there. Ranzar Malk. Yes, I know the console cards. Yeah, the bonus stages, we've only seen one.
Oh yeah.
I love the bonus
Isn't that
stages.
our-
That's why
part
it's
of our
that's why it's on a
bounty,
bounty.
right?
I
Yeah,
want to see I want to see another one. The bonus stages were sick. We got
we only saw one.
we got Rex. Yeah, we've only seen one
And that
bonus
was
stage.
What, like 50? I
Yep,
think?
they're out of 50.
Yeah.
They're
Okay.
either out of 50 or one of ones.
Oh wow. Yeah. It was cool. The background almost looked like a
Sabine,
color
Lando,
blast in the arcade game
Dio.
behind Captain Rex.
Is our auto? It is. It's a numbered auto. We'll save
25?
that. Purge Trooper.
This is a good box, man. You got the Frozen, 1 to 50, Emperor and 199.
Axe. Okay, we have a Galactic Empire Stormtrooper. And we have Kelleran Beck on the Galactic Gear. The Duchess, Nedby, Perrin, Mon, Vel, Scad, Director Krennic, Palpatine, Ayla Secura, Rainbow. We have Obi-Wan Kenobi, Rainbow. Migs, Quinn, Morgan Elsbeth, Yoda, Maz, Zeb. Okay, we have gold here. We have a gold Eris. We do. 46 of 50.
No way.
Bo-Katan fends off the attackers. 46 of 50 on the gold.
That's great. Dang.
All right.
Killer box right here.
Last pack, and before we get into our auto here, we got Paz, Casca Reeves, Moff Gideon, 8D8, Cyril, Balin, BB-8, Leia. We have the Eris, Bo-Katan brings Grogu for the ride. K2 on the Rainbow. All right, let's check our auto. 15 of 25. We have the Tusken Warrior.
Nice.
Joanna Bennett as the Tusken Warrior there. 15 of 25.
I think that's awesome. Yeah.
All right, our last box of the break. This is for Jeff. Also for Jeff, I should say. Good luck.
Good luck, man. Starting off really good.
Let's get some goodies.
Yeah.
Yeah, getting a Frozen Fractor was incredible.
Yeah. And then 2 to 50 and 1 to 25.
Yep,
Jeez.
that was a pretty good box.
Yeah.
Grief. Okay, we have Order 66 and 94 of 150. We have Han. The numbered characters have been really good.
Yeah. All
The
break.
numbered characters have been really
All
good.
break. Yeah. That's my guy.
Nurchi,
Han's my favorite.
IG, Cammy, Crescent, and Bix. Sabine. We have Kira. And on the Rainbow, we have the fourth sister. X, Dr. Quadpaw, Bird Trooper, Obi-Wan, Q9, Krennic, 58 of 99. We have Yoda on the Orabesh. 58 of 99. Yoda on the Orabesh.
There we go.
Keep it going here. We have Nedby, Perrin, Mon Mothma, Vel, Scad, Mayfield, Ayla. There's a Yoda, Maz. And on the rainbow, we have Freedy Pemular. Quinn. Princess Leia, the fourth sister, Freedy, Morgan Elsbeth, Zeb, BB-8, Leia. We have Rise of Palpatine, The Tale of Darth Plagueis. And out of 199, we have Asajj Ventress to 199. Paz Vizsla, Casca, Moff Gideon, 88, Cyril Orr Singh, R2. It's our auto. It is. To 99, we have Ranger Malk, 29 of 99 as our auto. Got the Eris and Zeb on the rainbow. Few packs to go here. Balin, Boba, Mando, Carson Teva, Clients, Kylo, Dooku, Dexter. We have a Grand Moff Tarkin on the Galactic Empire, and Lando on the Galactic Gear. All right. Kelleran. We have Luke, Haja, R5, Leda, Ranzer. Okay, unnumbered Captain Rex and a Rainbow Morgan Elsbeth. We have 2 packs to go here. Ilya Kane, Cad, B2 Emo, Ray, Wedge, Orange?
Wait, is that a sketch?
No.
Oh.
21 of 25. This is a Palpatine card.
Oh.
21 of 25. Oh, there we go. Advisor to Queen Amidala. 21 of 25. Senator Palpatine.
Calling for new order. Love it.
All right, and our last pack of the break. Thank you guys for buying this out.
Yeah,
Saw
thanks a
some
lot.
really good stuff.
Awesome. Yeah, really good.
Colonel Tuttle, Vader, Aunt Beru, Freck, Mudhorn, Corellian Hound, Jin, Akbar, Asajj, and a Paz Vizsla to end our break. Guys, thank you so much for buying this breakout. It was a ton of fun.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. Yeah.
Much appreciated. Some really good stuff. Thank you.